Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today, I'm gonna do something that I don't really want to, but I have to. But actually, you know what? I kind of want to. I'm gonna cut up my front under chassis wheel area so I can fit wider wheels. My issue is I rub right there. I rub it a lot, and it's pretty bad. So bad that it's going into the chassis. So you can see that's actually metal right there, metal exposure. It is the same for this side. So this right here is actually metal. I mean, you won't be able to, once I open this up, you'll be able to see, but it's metal. So today, I'm gonna cut it up. So this is the area I was talking about right here. Metal. Here's to my driver's side. Metal. Yep, metal. We're gonna cut that up today. Man right here. Oof. Gotta go a little deeper. What sucks about this is I have to like really watch how far. I can't go like full in. A little crazy, just a little crazy. Deep cuts. Alright, I tried to not to bore you guys, but I've got it there, cut it all over little slits. Now I just gotta hammer it in. Hammering part. Alright, managed to hit the crap out of this. I think the best is to make more smaller slits so it's easier and more malleable. But once you do that, just hit it in and it should be good. Same thing, different side. So far I made smaller slits to make it easier. Yeah. Smaller slits means I could probably bend this easier. I probably got hit it. Time to hit it. So this is what I started off with. Right? I couldn't press it in before, but now, I mean, I'm gonna have to paint this after, or at least spray it with something so it doesn't get, rust. But for now, this is pretty good. See the main parts? Yep, main parts. So I just hit it, and I just cut it some more. So now it'll be more malleable. Before I got anywhere, I made sure I got myself a can of black, was it paint and primer? Just to paint it because, you know, it's gonna rust, especially if it's snowing out here today. Spray it with some Rust-Oleum black. All right, let's open this up. All I'm gonna do, just spray it in there. I might have sprayed way too many coats, but it's okay. It'll be all right. I think in this corner you can really see that, you know, after cutting all that, it's after folding it, hitting it that way, the tire isn't gonna rub this way. This is good. This is very good. Extra, man, what's that, half an inch? That's about extra half an inch. All right, now time to spray this side too. All right, let's see how this works. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, preventing rust. No one's gonna see the inside of here anyways. I'm probably spraying too much, but oh well. Just gotta get the other side somehow. I think that's good enough for, good enough. It's good enough. Yeah, that's a lot of room. That's a lot of extra space. All right, I'm gonna turn the wheel and show you guys what happens now. Pretty good, pretty good. From my experience, it is the reverse that gets the it's the reverse that gets it. So let's see what happens. Okay, I hear scraping against the liner. Let's try the other. I don't hear any other scraping. The scraping sounds that I normally have is not there. Alright, this actually might work. This actually worked. So far so good. There's no rubbing at all, so you probably need to see more U-turns, but I'm gonna go to my driveway and show you. But so far so good. I had doubts, but hey, if a Rocket Bunny, I got this idea from somebody that does their Rocket Bunny cutouts and whatever. So they cut slits and then just hammer it in. I thought, why not just do the same thing for me? Essentially, I have 20-inch wheels, okay, with wider tires. I have 275 30/20s in the front. So I figured, why not? But oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's go back out. Let's try that out. Oh my God, that did not. Oh snaps. That actually worked. Oh, excited. Oh my God, that actually really worked. I'm excited. I'm gonna go over here and do some illegal turns. And oh, no rubbing. Oh, no rubbing. No, oh. Just the liner, Oh, oh my goodness. Driving so much funner, more fun now. All right, guys, let me show you what I did. Essentially, what I did was my tires. They're 20-inch wheels, and they're 275 30/20s. Now, I also added upper control arm by R Racing, and I had max caster. So that actually shifted the wheel backwards a little bit. I don't know if you could see it. Can you see that shifted the wheel backwards a little bit? Caster. That's what it does, I guess. So to combat that, the wheel rubbing, it gets closer to the wall. So what I did was the areas, the pinch welds that I didn't need, I just cut slits and then just hammer it in, and then good to go. And after that, you're gonna have to paint it, which is what I did because it's bare metal and there's like snow out there, so you don't want nothing to rust. So all I did, cut it up, hammered away. Okay, so that's, if it's on that side, it's gonna be going this way. I just hammered it away and then painted it. So now I have no rubbing issues, which is fantastic. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about what I did or how I did it or why I did it, I mean, I explained it, but if you have more questions, please feel free to comment below. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Peace.